Hello dear friends, and welcome to a brand new video. In this video, we're excited to show you exactly how much we've withdrawn from the amazing AFGCoin project, and what makes this project so valuable for users. If you're looking for a real opportunity in the crypto world, you don't want to miss this. AFGCoin offers real payouts, plus features like staking, fast swaps, and high-level security that truly set it apart. So make sure to watch till the end, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, your support means a lot to us. Let's jump into the video. We are based in India, and our team consists of individuals who have complete faith in the grand AFGCoin project. Here, we are showing you the history of our withdrawals. For this we have to go to Wallet section, and click on USDT to show withdrawals history of USDT. Check we have withdrawals up to $1,477 from this amazing project. Let's see the history of withdrawals from start of this project. You can see we have withdrawal up to $300, $150, $159, $43 and others. If you want to have income from this brilliant project, just check the description of this video, or the first comment I have pinned the project link. Click on it, and start your earning journey with AFGCoin. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe.